As a city with one of the highest population densities in the world, Hong Kong faces the challenge of managing a sustainable use of its resources. Of the 14,000 tons of municipal solid waste being disposed of daily, there's a common hazardous waste which we all directly or indirectly use and dispose of, and that is the lead-acid battery. Lead-acid batteries are the most simple, economical, and reliable source of electricity. The battery comprises of sulfuric acid, plastic, and lead. It is used most commonly in cars, buses, trucks, and other vehicles. Emergency backup system in the telecom industry, government departments, MTR, airport, hospitals, the stock exchange, banking institutions, buildings, data centers, just about any business you can think of. Due to the simple composition of the battery, it is the most recycled resource in the world, more so than glass and paper. Up to 95% of the components can be recycled and reused. However, if it isn't handled and recycled properly, this precious resource becomes hazardous waste, causing long-term negative impact on our environment. Chapter 354C of Hong Kong's Waste Disposal Ordinance classifies used lead-acid batteries as chemical toxic waste. Any entity disposing of such waste in quantity must be registered by law as a waste producer. Only licensed collectors can handle the waste, which they must deliver to final point of disposal for recycling within 48 hours from the time of collection. Failure to comply can mean a penalty of up to $200,000 and a maximum of 6 months imprisonment for each offense. Designated by the EPD, the Hong Kong Lead-Acid Battery Recycling Center, situated at Hklabrc, is a fully integrated recycling facility that provides collection, treatment, and final recycling services for used lead-acid batteries. Through collaboration with a top industrial leader in the field, the center is designed to be built and operated according to very stringent international standards for environmental and safety requirements. Adopting the cleanest approach and advanced technology, hazardous waste is treated to have no negative impact to the environment, while at the same time, we intend to rid society of the detrimental effects born of past improper traditional practices. Every user of lead-acid batteries, whether one is a car owner or a large corporation which uses standby power, can now rest at ease, knowing that their waste is being treated and recycled without causing further contamination to our environment. Corporations and institutions can sign off their environmental, social, and governance reports with the assurance of a full compliance, while their chemical toxic waste is turned into precious resources for the community. The Hong Kong Lead-Acid Battery Recycling Center at Hklabrc is a shining example of sustainable waste management for neighboring cities in mainland China and throughout Asia.